Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll start by confirming prerequisites. Verify which Google account you'll modify and whether two-step verification is active. Once signed in, make a quick backup of any important threads with Google Takeout or by exporting messages because deactivation can remove access. Next, open Chat. Google.com or the Google Chat app and confirm you can send and receive messages. This ensures the account is live. Once done, navigate to the account menu so you're ready for the next, actionable steps. You'll now turn off Google Chat in the product settings. In Gmail, click Settings, see All Settings Chat and Meet, then choose Chat Off and save. If you're using the standalone app, open Settings General Chat and toggle it off. Make sure to revoke any third-party app access under Google Account Security third-party apps with account access. This prevents background reconnection. Once these are completed, check a different device to confirm chat status is inactive before proceeding to account-level steps. You can stop chat permanently by deleting or pausing the Google account, but usually you'll simply remove the chat service. Go to Google Account Data and Privacy, delete a service, and remove Google Chat if available. For Google Workspace, sign into Admin. Google.com, go to Apps Google Workspace Google Chat and either turn the service off for specific organizational units or suspend user access. If something fails, make sure two-step is working and revoke cached app tokens, then retry after waiting 5 to 10 minutes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.